I'm Vijay Venkat. Welcome to my YouTube channel, My Education World. Friends, in my previous video, I have told that I will introduce you to a new concept called Bootstrap. So, I am here with a new concept that is Bootstrap. So, Bootstrap means a large collection of predefined reusable code snippets written in CSS and HTML. So, this Bootstrap concept is introduced by Twitter. So, as to style a button or anything, a card, etc., we need to use the CSS rule set. That is to style, that is to increase the height and width of the button, we use one rule set, and to add a background color to that button, we use another rule set. So instead of that writing these all rule sets, here we use that bootstrap concept to style our button. So if you see the screen, that is there is some text that is in between the start and end tag of head. We see some text. This text belongs to the bootstrap. If we just paste this text in between the start and end tag of the head, we can use some predefined names of that bootstrap and style our buttons and card. So I will just provide this text in my description, in this video description. So you just copy the text and use in your code playground and style for website. So I'm going to explain about this text in my upcoming videos. You need not to worry. So I'm explaining that. So, as I told in my previous video, we can write many CSS property values in the class attribute by just giving a space to that. So, here to style a button, the CSS that is the bootstrap predefined name is btn. So, here as you see that I have assigned start tag p and the class attribute is equal to btn hyphen primary and start landing and end tag. So these all certain primary and the secondary success, danger, info, warning, dark and white. These are some predefined values of the bootstrap. So I will run and show. I have written all CSS rule sets. So these first seven are some btn such that is some bootstrap names. That is the primary belongs to this button. That is primary means just adding a background color to that button and increasing the height and the width of that button. So this btn primary represents the height and width, and the text color is white. So in orderly, and gray color secondary, and success means green color, and danger means red, and info means blue green, and also and warning means a yellow, and dark means a black, and white means a white, so these colors are represented with these names. So you just remember these names for that color. So if we are styling a button in our website, you just copy this page, copy this text and place in between the start and end tag of head, and just assign this well predefined names, that is the btn and btn primary, to get a blue button style. So in orderly, if you need just the border of that button as a blue and the text as blue, so we use the another predefined name, that is btn outline primary. This btn outline primary is used to outline the button as a blue color and the text as blue. So this property represents that. So similarly, second btn outline secondary represent gray, and btn success represents a green, and danger red, and info blue green, and warning yellow, and dark black, and white is white. So if you need to get that outline, we use this property. And similarly, next property, that is btn and gas space and text hyphen primary. This property, this bootstrap predefined name specifies that the text of the text color is blue. So if you need a gray, we use secondary and so on. These properties are for text and these properties are for outline. And for now I'm going to next property. This property is for background color. So if you need a background color for that button as blue and gray and red, orange, red, green and so on, we use these values, that is a bg primary, bg secondary, bg success and so on. This you need to just remember these words, that means which color represents which word. So here the blue represents a primary and secondary represents a gray. So you just remember these names to use. So and here if we go to next case, and here the text uppercase represents the text to be all to be capital. So if you see here, I have assigned the start learning name. So if you see here, uh, here the start learning, the every letter of the word start and learning has been capitalized. So if you use this capital, this text property, so we can capitalize the each and every letter of the word as capital letter. And next bootstrap predefined name, that is a text hyphen capitalized. This text hyphen capitalized bootstrap predefined name is used to capitalize every starting letter of the word. That is in start and learning. Start is one word and learning is another word. If you see here, I have assigned that start learning each and every letter as small. And if I run here, here the start learning, the outcome has arrived that in start the S has been capitalized, in learning the L has been capitalized. That this text capitalized property is used to capitalize the every starting letter of the each word. So and next text lower hyphen lowercase, this property is used to lowercase every letter of the word. That is in here the start learning I have assigned each and every letter as small capital letter. So if I run and show, the in start learning the every letter has been in lowercase. So these predefined names is used to style our buttons, and not only buttons, we can style our cards also. So you need not to write any CSS. If I here I am opening CSS, I haven't written any rule sets in CSS, and I have just copied a text in and pasted in between the head, start tag and end tag. So I will provide this link, that is this text in my description. So you can just copy the text and use. I will explain about this text in my upcoming video. So you just remember these words, that is a btn primary, btn secondary and bg primary, btn outline and text primary, text uppercase and so on. This btn sorry this bootstrap predefined names is used to style those ones. So you just remember those and use them in your website. So you can just save your time and you can be an efficient, and it saves a lot of time and consistency. So this just a text is called a bootstrap cdn. So I will provide in this video description. So you just copy and use. So uh, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.